Yeah, I've got a singy voice. Hello. Hi and welcome. What's wrong with my hair? What's wrong with my glasses? I can't see shit. They're dirty. They are dirty. Why are my glasses this dirty? Can anyone tell me? Hello. How you doing? I know the time schedule is a bit messed up. I said I'm going to be online at 6 p.m. German time. Then I said, hey, it's going to be 6:30 German time. And now I'm online on like 6. So it's kind of messed up. I mix up things. And I don't have too much time as well. It is those Tuesday streams, the technical streams. I have to get better with those. But nevertheless, I'm online. Hi, how's everyone doing? Hello. So today, endlich Tiertag exists. It's not really Tia. Hey, Aaron, hi. I mean, kind of. I don't have a plan for today. Great, perfect, right? And I don't have too much time, maybe an hour, probably an hour or so. Mechatronics trainer. I haven't even started up the program. That's how confused I am today. A lot of work, a lot of private stuff, a lot of things just going on here. But I still at least want to go online. Hey, Technology Guru. Waiting for live to ask one important question. Go with your important question. Don't go ask. That's why I'm online. You can also jump in on a gaming stream and ask questions, right? So you don't have to wait for Tuesday where I do technical stream. Just go and ask the question. By the way, I'm going to switch over to the current state. I don't know if I continued programming since last week. I don't think so, but maybe I did. This is the current state. And today we're going to actually do something that I boink, there we go. Power supply. Hello, I can rename things. That's great. And last time I think we added the store, right? So I can add things like the power supply here, and it's now just here in the middle because I let it spawn wherever. And I don't know if you were there when I did the I can place things now. It's not like I don't have a button in the software yet, but I can place things now, right? Like this. I can do this, and then I can say, don't grab it anymore, and then it's just there. Right? I don't know if you've been there when I did that. I don't know. The thing is, I don't have an interface for this yet. Right? So we need to have this is grabbed button. I cannot rotate yet, right? I cannot rotate yet. That's gonna be there soon. Hey, Nomus, you're not first. You can see Hartux there. So this is grabbed. There we go. So I want to embed that. That's a simple task. It's going to take like half an hour or so. And that's all the time I have. Maybe an hour or so. Did I do any Siemens partner exams? What do you mean with Siemens partner exams? Nomus, you're first. Congratulations. Yes, good job. Very good. Good job. You did it. First, as always, Nomus. Ow. Ah, I hit my teeth. Ow. My tooth. Yeah, you're the best. Great job. Good job, man. Good job. Good job. So, okay. What I want to do is this grab button. That seems easy, isn't it? It should be very easy to have this grab button, and then you can actually add things in the software. You can grab them, put them somewhere. You can link them, and it's actually kind of a software that works a little bit. I could make something of it. You're number 0, so don't worry. Yes, arrays start at 0. Depends on the language, actually. Hey, Artulesh. Hi, Maha. Hi. How you doing? So, okay, grab button, easy peasy lemon squeezy, as I say, right? That's how I say it. I don't care. Component interface should be that. Yeah. So I want like a grab button here. I've got a repair button. Let's just make the grab button there. Hey, Tore. Hi. Danke für deine Videos. You're very welcome. You are very welcome. Hey, Abd Elfata? I'm very clever. Nah, I'm just old. Here's the thing, I'm just more experienced than most of you. That's the biggest difference between most of my viewers and mostly everyone and me. I've got more experience. I'm not even smart. You're a Siemens employee? I'm not. I could be, but I never really wanted to sign a contract with Siemens. Maybe I will in the future, I don't know. So that is move. Just move. I'm gonna call that move. I know the UI is not pretty. I mean, it's decent. It's not pretty, but it's decent. So I'll just have that there. That's gonna be move. There we go. Let's move that a little bit to the right. Position X. Let's put it. Let's bound it to the right here. Yeah, let's make that to the right. So let's do this here actually, and then position minus 120. That should be it. Yeah. Very humble. No, not really. It's just what it is. I'm realistic. That's the main feature I would say about me. I'm realistic. I am logical and realistic. Would need a 1214C if anyone needs. I think I only have a 1215. Oh, I'm sorry. I only have a 1215. Borrowing some actually for approved partners of Siemens. I haven't really done. I mean, I did. I'm Siemens certified with like 5 different certificates. So yeah, I did examinations, but not like written ones. I have like oral ones most of the time. So that I'm allowed to work together with Siemens. Allein as a Pleite, man kann. Yeah, I know. It's the same everywhere. It is like the chip market. Xis just asked said that you can't buy shit anymore. Everyone is out of money. Everyone is out of resources. That's how it is. And the funny thing is, like, did you see? I don't know if it's fake or real or whatever, but did you see that China is basically telling their people they should buy and store food for a long period of time in their homes? That actually freaks me out a bit because hey, if China breaks down, like globally, everything is gonna burn at some point. Because the chip market is dominated by them. So if they don't produce chips, fine. Okay, I can live without technology, newest technology. I can't live without food. That's freaking me out a bit more. I don't care about microcontrollers. If they get expensive, fine. The engineer of the approved partner company. No, I haven't done those. We've been, like, my company has been, not the one I'm currently working with, but we've been through like Siemens audits and that stuff, but not really those tests. So I've got the move button, right? And the move button, if we click it, component interface, that should be very simple, right? Oh God, look at the component interface function. Look how many parameters. I could sort those parameters, by the way. I think I learned a new thing. I forgot how it works. I completely forgot, but there is something I can add here. Let me see. To sort this. To just sort this. I can do this. And then there's headline? Header. No. It's not a header. What could it be? Region attribute? No. Checked? No. Do? No. It's not a class. It's a namespace, maybe? No. Keyword. It's a keyword, definitely. Parameter, property, return type. No. Snippet? No, it's not a snippet. I forgot what it is. I can make like headlines and that stuff. I don't want to. I didn't know. Hello. Hey Nilesh, hi. It's technical knowledge. Hey, it's Technical Tuesday. Imagine new Volkswagen cars, only one key. Yeah. It's like technical times are crazy. So, okay. I will have to make a new function, I guess. Did I do all the functions here? Can I do this? No. Can I do this? So I've got main, I've got start, I've got update, I've got all the connector panels. I will need connector panel close needs to do something. Doink. Oh God, so much stuff. This is so big. Why is this so big? Oh my God, I messed all of this up. Open interface, open general stuff, change component designation, repair. So I want next to the repair function, I want a function that's called move, if that's not a taken name already. What will we do today? We're making like components so we can grab them and put them in different places. We can already do that, but I don't have a button for it. We have a button now, but I don't have a button yet. Repair. No, what I want. Oh, should I do it correct? I never do it correct, but I should do it with the setter and getter. But let's see. It's the move button. It's the component. Where do I have? I sorted the project. Oh, I sorted my functions. I made it clean. I made everything a little bit more clean. I will not find anything anymore. There should be a component somewhere. Component scriptable? No. Just a component somewhere. Electrical component. Component common should be somewhere. Component common. Where's component common? That should not be in UI. That should be in here. I sorted it, but I didn't really clean up. I did it very fast. For each job, please announce the starting time and date. I do, Worku. I do. The starting time. Now I'm a bit early because I've got today. It's a bit messed up. I do in the morning time. I announced this stream 6 hours ago or so. And it's Tuesdays at 6 p.m. German time. Technical streams, always. But yeah. I do. Hey, Technical Challenger. And also hi, Worku. Or Woku. So this is a class. This got bool is grab. So this is grab should not be public. It should, of course, be private. And we should make it with a set get. So that should be a property. So it should actually be something like this. All right. It should be this, but I've not worked like this. This is the correct way of doing things in object-oriented programming. I haven't done that. You got the notification an hour ago. I set up the stream at 12:30. Yeah. Do you think that program which simulate I/O is okay? Cost 250. Which program do you mean? Which one? Which one? There's hundreds. I'm doing one right now. Do you mean Factory I/O? Factory I/O, yeah, it's kind of, I don't know, depending on the application. It's good, but that's why I'm making my own software. Okay, so we've got the repair, we've got this, no, wait. I'll just grab the attribute. I will not do it correct. I haven't done it correct the whole time, so why would I start now? Is grab is true, move, and then pub. Let's say that's not move. Let's say that's grab. Grab makes more sense. Public void ungrab. Grab no more. That's how I call my functions. You can't see it. I'm sorry. There. Grab no more. That's, oh god, the chat is in the way. It's almost. So I will grab is 2 false. That's it. I need those 2 functions. Cost like 250. Yeah, factory. I mean, it's just test it out. There's you can get a month trial. Just check it out. The trial is free. Question about Unity: if you import a model like a cylinder, does the model have the extension animation? Or do you do I do the animations in Unity. You can also import the animations, of course, yes, but I do it in Unity. It's just easier for me, because then I know exactly what I want. But you can do it, and you can link all the animations from Blender. The problem with Blender, I don't have it open. The problem if you want to import Blender animations is you have to have different animations, and then it's kind of difficult to get different animations in one object. That's why I do it in Unity. It's easier. The problem then, of course, is if you change something in Blender and then you don't have the real correct animation anymore and stuff, it's difficult. I'm forced to buy the conveyor for my sim. I have to buy the inputs. For simulation, usually it's perfectly fine if you just do a the packs that. If you just do like a PLC sim, which comes for free, that's usually fine for my testing. What version is da übersetzen? Yeah. The beta version, we're in the beta. We're actually in the beta phase. I'll maybe make this public here afterwards. No, I won't make this public because you cannot add many components. You can only add 2 types of components. I'll make that maybe next week public. Grab and grab no more. Easy peasy lemon squeezy component interface. Wait, no, that should not be in component. That should be, whoops. What? Why is that in component interface? That has to be in common component. Yeah, that has to be. Whoopsie doopsie. Why does this? Wait, no. What? That is so stupid. Oh, how I did it right now. This makes sense. That here is stupid. I'm sorry. Doink. Of course that has to be. Wait, what? Current component. Yeah, okay. That is grab. And that is grab no more. I am stupid. That would have been stupid. But it would have worked, but it would have been stupid. I want to find out how to animate in Blender. No. Just do it in Unity. Blender has a lot of features. Yeah. Grab and grab no more. Now I can make this a private because I don't want it to be overwritten from somewhere else. But I also want to show. I can't? Oh, interesting. Okay. Hi, Secret. Hi. What's up? Grab no more. That works. Why is grab? Why does that not exist? Current component. What about grab? There it is. What are you talking about? Current component is a common component, right? Current component? Yeah. Okay. Huh? Current component grab. Did I misspell it or something? Grab. Did I not save? Grab. Why is that? That is not a mistake. That exists. The call is ambiguous between the following methods or properties. Component common and component. Wait, do I have it twice? I've got it twice. Whoops. Oh, grab and place. I already had these two. Oh, I prepared for it. I haven't used them, hopefully. Did I? Whoops. I mean, place makes more sense than grab no more. I'll call this place. Is grabbed is false. Is this fine? I'll call also this place. This is going to be place. There we go. So that's fine. Can I also? Yeah. I know. I couldn't. You, hi Tron. Hi. We can all work together, but I think I'm gonna make this like open source, the code in the end, and then we can all work together. But I want first a stable version that can be worked with. I have to clean up a lot and that kind of stuff. It's gonna be. I'll let you do stuff with this. Yes. Maybe you'll build levels or so with me. Make like an editor and you can save it and we can share. We'll have a big library. There's gonna be like, I want this to be a cooperation between all of us and a million industrial like automation students. That'd be great. So grab in place is grab. That should be easy. The only problem is now that I've got the button here and it's got to switch over. It's got to be move and it's got to be place. Like it's gonna change the name. Therefore, what I'll do, it's actually very simple. I hope it's simple. Maybe it isn't. Move and nope. Place. It's gonna be in the same place. I could make it the same button. I don't want to. Move and place. So just give me a second. Component interface. Grab. What do I call it? Move and grab and grab. Let's call it grab. It doesn't matter. Grab and place. There we go. So each button here has to be dependent on the current parameter, which of course is now not public anymore. I will have to make it public again. Public. I don't care. Emerald offline 0, Philip live 2. Hey, I win. Hey, Ali. I'm gonna not get wir können übersetzen. Yeah, exactly that. I at some point, sis, at some point. There's no translation. It's all in English right now. You can make other versions. Grab, place. God, what was I doing? Oh, I'm good. I'm good. How are you? So, okay, now current component. Grab the component interface. I need to go into the update. And if current component. Do I have an if current component already? No, I don't. I thought so. Yeah, okay. If current component, then if current component dot is grabbed, I guess, then make the button. I don't have the buttons linked. I need to link the buttons. Is my stream lagging? Because my stream is lagging for me. Strange. How are you gonna interface? What do you mean interface? With the automation ID? It's gonna be through simulation. I'm not not connecting to the IDE, the automation. I'm gonna interlink with the controller, not the automation software. I like C++. This is just C#. It's not even C++. Hi, Leos. Hi. Leos? Nice name. So, if the current component is grabbed, we're gonna see the one button. If it's not grabbed, we're gonna see the other button. I will have to add these two buttons. Oh god, this list is already way too long. I'll have to clean that up. Public game objects grab button. Public game objects place button. If the current component is grabbed, then the grab button dot is active self. No, what is this? What is this thing? Active set active to. If it's grabbed, then the grab button is false. And the other button, the place button, is true. Easy. Programming is so easy if you understand it. Hi, Canada. I'm gonna call you Canada. Hey, Canada. I know it's not your name. Hey, Sai. Hi. I'm very complicated. No, I'm not. How will we program using ladder? Oh, with this. No, you will link a real physical PLC or controller to it. In here, I will have like a small, probably a small thing where you can build ladder programs. Yeah. I'm not going to connect with TIA Portal. No, I'm going to connect to PLC Sim or the physical PLC, not to TIA Portal, because that is possible. Yes, using openness. I don't want to do it. Because that's a fucking pain in the ass. Not gonna lie, that would be so annoying. And I think maybe the next stream I will link it to a physical PLC. Can I teach how to use openness? I don't know myself. It is freaking complicated. I've seen a tutorial on it, but I'm like, no, not gonna happen. So I've got these two. I gotta link the buttons. So component interface, I'm gonna link the buttons. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Grab button is the grab button. Place button is the place button. And then we have the buttons themselves. Oh, they have the feature. Am I done? Am I done? Did anyone pay attention? Am I done? Let's see. I think I'm done. Why is it not? What? Where? What? Oh, there. Because I put it to the side. Am I done? How's the progress going? Actually, pretty good. Teach us for free. Hi, come on, I can't. Move. Brrrt. Place. Brrrt. Look at this, cute. Move. Of course, I don't have a collider right now and that stuff, so I can push it wherever. I don't care. And look at this, cute. Look at this. I don't want it in this. Move. It's gonna go on top here. Place. Nice bullet. Thank you. Thank you. It's my 3D model. There's one thing left to do. If I move this and I close the window, it's still moving, right? So that's bad. Can I move both now? Yeah, place. Yeah, I can never I have to do this. Can we demonstrate videos on motion control with S759? I don't really do motion control. I don't have that hardware. So the one thing that's left to do, if I close the window, I also want to call the function that is somewhere. I freaking don't find anything. If I close the interface here, I want to do this here, the grab, no, the place. If I close the interface, I'm going to go place. It's actually, that's it. That's it. That's why you use functions, so you can just reuse them easy. That should work. Am I crazy, or should that work? Because I still have some time. My fiance just wrote me that she's going to still take a minute. Object reference is not set to an object. Yep. If current, what? Current comp. Then do that. It closes the interface once in the beginning. That's why it does that error. It sure would have never done that again, I guess, but I don't know. I don't know my own program. It's what, 1,000, maybe 2,000 lines of code already. There we go. I would need a rotate button because right now I can't rotate. I can just put them somewhere. What I could do is they automatically rotate with the with my camera. I thought about this, which I don't really. It's okay. I made a piece. She knows that I'm streaming this. Of course, she knows. I made her test the public like a version last week. I don't use Python. No, I don't even speak Python. I wanted to learn it. I want to learn Python, but I didn't really. I didn't yet. I will probably, but I haven't learned it yet. I mean, 3D placing things in 3-dimensional environments is quite tough, isn't it? That should be right next to it, but I can't. No. God damn it, that's tough. That's tough. Like 3D stuff is, of course, difficult. Now it should be next to it. There we go. What should say to this as an actual program? She doesn't see the code. Like, I don't tell her what it is. She doesn't see shit. I won't show her because my code looks like shit. Did I already have something like this? No. Okay. I mean, it should be in the reset current component. No, this one should be in reset current components. This should go in here, actually. Yeah. Makes more sense there. So, okay. This was great. This works. I cannot believe it. We still have some time, do we? I mean, she's on the way. Whenever she gets here, I will like wrap up the stream because we've got plans. But until then, I can basically do stuff. I love it. Nice. And the stuff I'm gonna do, because hey, this is now silly work. Here's what I will do. I will add some components to the add component to the store. To the store, to like here, to the store, and then there's gonna be more components. I'm gonna add some components here till she's here. Von der Rewe gehen, Pizza. No. I'm usually the one that goes shopping. And I was at Rewe yesterday, and they have those in Germany. It's pretty new. It's very uncommon to have. There's a self checkout, and I like to use the self checkout. But yesterday was the first time I got a beer, like not the first time in my life I got a beer, but the first time on a self checkout that I got a beer. And of course I like scan it and put it in, and then of course the red light turns on, and I'm like, oh shit, right? Oh, they need to have my ID checked because I am because it's illegal to sell beer for people that are less than 16 years old. So I was standing there, red light was on, and then the lady came and was like, yeah, let me see what you've got in the bag. I already packed everything in the bag. And I'm like, why would you need to see what's in the bag? It literally says you just have to check my ID. I had my ID in my hand. I'm like, here, ID, multipass. I was like, multipass. And she's like, no, I gotta see what you're putting in there. I'm like, why? This thing just says you need to check like for an. Why do you need to check? And she's like, yeah, this is how it is. I'm like, oh, this is bullshit. She did not understand anything. And I'm like, oh God, why is this a thing? The self-checkouts, they don't work yet here in Germany. They don't. I used them in the US, perfectly fine. Loved it. They don't work here. They will probably never work because we are not used to it. And also the people working those are not used to it. God, that was so... I was like, what the... Oh, this doesn't work, lady. And half of the time those things break. They don't work. Self-checkout in Germany, no. And it was in a Rewe. I'm negative, yeah. I'm not sponsored, so I can do it. God, that was so annoying. Okay. God. Yeah, they are okay in most countries, actually. But not here in Germany. Because we don't. We also still have cash. Most things are just cash. I go to stores that say, hey, we accept cash only. I'm like, what the fuck? What is this? 1985? What? No, credit card only. I understand credit card only. I don't get, like, cash only. God. We're so behind in a lot of technological manners. Can't believe it. Okay. So mechatronic components. If I do this now, I can actually publish the first version in here. I should also add a delete button. Yeah. No, let's do one. No. That's now more important. Let's add a delete button. That's more important because we need to delete things. The puppy is 4 months old. What kind of race was it? The puppy? I remember you talking about it, but I don't remember the race. 4 months. They get quite big, quite fast. Let's grab this button. Let's call it delete. Bully. Oh, right. Oh, God. Font size maybe 16 because it's almost too. 4 months old. I don't know. That's already like 15 to 18 kilograms maybe, because they have a lot of muscle. That's minus 100, right? Yeah. Minus 220. 23 already. God. I had a beagle. I had 23 is a lot. I had a beagle, and they just go maximum like 14 kilograms or so. Beagle. Like I had a beagle when I was a kid, and they go like 11 kilograms as max. Mine was pretty much 15 kilograms. He wasn't so fat. He was a thick boy. Yeah. Those. That's why for dogs, if you have a like 20 kilogram dog, I'm like, what the hell? I understand they get quite big, but I'm still, what? 15 kilos. Okay, that's a month ago. Come on. I wasn't too far off. Okay. So I'll have another one that's I'm gonna call I'll get a new button in here. I'll call this a delete component. And then current component, I will say delete. And then common component, there is gonna be a function for it, public void delete. I cannot, oh God, I just forgot something. Oh God. Yeah, I know what I'm doing. Oh God. Oh, change connection. Oh God. Oh, there's so much connected to deletion. Hey Gabriel, hi. Oh, I'm good. By the way, will your simulator have sodas? I don't know yet if it's gonna have those complicated things. It's for basic stuff. That makes automation engineers well. It's gotta have the basic stuff at the beginning, and then I can add on. I want to make the basic stuff for education. Most purposes for education. And if I have safety relays and that stuff, they will have like the basic behavior of them and not the correct functioning, because that's freaking complex. Delete. This is gonna be a problem because what's the connection? Do I have connection here? Oh no, it's not. I've got this. Electrical contact. Do I have like loose connection? Yes. Okay, no, I'm smart. I am smart. Yes. Loose connection. There we go. It's just gonna lose the connection. The problem is probably that I will. I don't have this here, right? I have like all the connections I have in the electric component, I guess. That one's empty. What? Chromatic component? What? What? I'm confused right now. Give me a second. Oh, I don't. Oh, this is easier than I thought. This is easier than I thought. Delete for each. And then we're gonna get the component. How does a for each loop work again? Guys, does anyone know how a for each works? For each. There, variable item in collection. And the collection is gonna be get all the components in the child. Like get component in children. Get component in children. And then we're gonna get the component connection. Right? Alrighty, that is gonna work. Why does that components in children? And then I will have connection. And then connection dot lose connection. That's it. Ooh, yes. So it's pretty good idea. You're doing a pretty cool job. Yeah, it takes some time. The problem is it takes a long time, Gabriel or Gabriel. It really is a lot of work. Want to try doing Kickstarter? Yeah, I because I'm not far enough. I will do a Kickstarter campaign or something if I'm far enough advanced. Like I will be soon. Like I want to have a demo and then I can make a Kickstarter stuff. Get components to children. Watch out for children. No. Get components to children is gonna do the following. Let me explain. So I've got like what it's gonna do. It's gonna look, for example, if I have a breaker, right? I've got a circuit breaker here. So this is the breaker element. This is the component on the highest level. And what get components in children do? Hi, Mohammed. Hi. First live from me. Hey. Welcome to your first live stream from me. Wait. There you go. Hi. So what get components in children does, it looks at this component here at the circuit breaker, and it looks at all the children, which are all of these, and it's going to get the components. And in this case, it's going to get all the components that are of type contact, which is the electrical contact is also of type contact, I hope. If not, then I have to typecast it, but that should be fine. And it looks at all these, and it collects them and puts them into an array, and that array is this one here, and it's going to go through each of those, gonna call connection, and then it's going to for the first connection it finds, it's going to make loose connection. For the second, it's going to make loose connection, and so on and so on. So, hey Mutku, no Muthu, hello Muthu. I would just go debug log connection. I'll just do this. There's probably designation or something. Name? How do I call it? Didn't I call it designation? I think I call it designation. Designation, yeah. I should have made it the parameter, but I'm stupid. That's okay. So then all of them will have a loose connection. This is important because the counterpart needs to be disconnected before I delete it. And then game objects dot delete, I guess. I don't know how to delete a game object. Can I make delete and then get delete? Yeah. Game object. There you go. That didn't work. Why does that not work? Huh? No overload for method delete takes one argument. Oh, I got it. Huh? That's what I tried before. Game object dot delete. Game object does not contain. I don't know how to delete a game object. Are you kidding me? Delete game object unity. Oh god, how do I delete it? Kills, destroy. Destroy, not delete. Destroy. Doing great. Help for evolving. Yeah, that is exactly why I made the channel in the first place, but no, I'm just gaming. Destroy. Game object, of course, that makes more sense. There we go. I'm trying to call function inside a function, that's why it doesn't work. No, that works. Delete inside delete. It was overloaded. Overloading is fine. I can overload. No. The delete I would have done here, like if I had game object dot delete, that would be fine. Like even if it would have the same name, because this delete is not this delete. This delete is not this one. It's another one. I could, because this delete belongs to this one here. If I would do recursive, of course, then this would be like delete and then this kind of stuff. And then that's what I did wrong. You're right. But I knew there was another thing. Yeah, that would be recursive. True. But that should work. Did I put the delete already in here? Yeah. Does this work? Will this work? Is this gonna work? God, if this works, if this works first try, I will. I don't know. I don't even know. Delete. I call it delete component. Yeah. Let's try. Let's try it. There should be, in the best case, there should be a lot of messages here with the component, with the like connection to it. So if I delete it now, bloink, it's gone, and it had 2 of these. And in and out are also deleted. Yes, that is exactly what I wanted. Now let's test it. Let's test it. Let's connect them. So this one here is not, I mean, you can't see anything. Let me make that full screen for you. There we go, full screen. And now what should happen is the following. I can grab this, I can click on this, I can say delete. But I want to check, I want to connect it first. Let's actually do this. This lamp here is connected directly to X0. I don't know how I call it. X0. Is it X0? For testing, this is X0. Yeah. It's connected to X0 L1, and the negative side is connected to X0.neutral, which makes the lamp on because hey, it's a 24 or 230 volt lamp. However that works. If I now delete this one here, the connections should be gone. Like L1 and N should be gone. So let's see. Delete, boink. It's off. That is great. And they are open. First try. Can't believe it worked first try. Yes. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, look at my tricep. Ooh, look at this tricep here. Ooh, that is developing nice. Look at it. Oh, yeah. I had tricep day today. Like not tricep, but upper body day. So it's a bit pumped anyway. Okay, and there was 5 connections in there, and they're all deleted. Hell, yeah, it works. Can't believe it. First try. And I'm gonna get rid of this. It's so nice that I already had the loose connection function, because it's so easy to reuse. Always work with functions, which I should have learned earlier. She's so confused. Poor girl. Like I just checked on my fiance. Yeah, it feels amazing. If it works the first time, it's crazy. How long have I been programming all this? I don't know. I don't even know how long. When was the first stream on it? I don't know. Maybe hours in total. Maybe, I don't know, 80 hours? Maybe 80 hours in total so far. Ish. Less than 100 hours, I would say. But I don't know. I actually don't know. As it is a hobby, I don't really keep track of time. Repair. Make this one have a return value. That makes sense. So I can place components. I can delete components. I can... Okay, now I thought this would be more difficult to delete. It worked. First try. Can't believe it. Let's put that here. Okay. Let's add more things to the shop. Right now I've got 2 components in the shop. Let's add components to the shop. I don't know how many I have, but I'll just randomly put some components in the shop now. And what was the second one? That was the power supply. Let's go this. Let's put the power supply. Let's make a nice power supply picture. Let's turn off the gizmos and let's turn off the grid to make a nice picture. I don't want this. I don't want all to be Siemens in the end, so I'm gonna have to rework all the components. It's fine for now, but I will have to rework all of them. Let's make that as square as possible. There we go. Save as desktop. I'm gonna make a new folder even. New folder. I should directly save it in the project, but I'm way too lazy. No, I will directly save it in the project because I'm not stupid. That makes sense. It makes sense to directly save it in the project. Does it? I think so. Where is the project? It's on my own files. Unity. Big one. Crafty Craft. Mechatronics Trainer. There we go. Assets. Mechatronic components. Electrical. Power supply. Components. And there we go. That is the thumbnail. No, wait. Power supply. Thumbnail. And is a PNG. Good. Okay. First, I started having a transformer in there. Does the transformer make sense? Nah. It's not done. Rectifier. No. Motor protection. Contactor. Let's make the contactor. And yes, this is what we're gonna do for the next hour until my fiance is here. And that's not square. But okay. I wish there would be like that's not square at all, but it doesn't matter. Save. Not the power supply. This is the contactor. Contactor. 3-phase thumbnail. Save. I'm not really programming. I'm just playing until my wife comes home. Exactly, that's how it is. Yep. Contactor signal. That's a pretty one, isn't it? Doink, doink that. Why is it isometric? Why is it perspective view? I hate that. So, okay. I know it could be prettier and all, but I don't really care right now. It's just for the first version. Save as. Here we go. You can keep me company. Just talk to me. Just tell me things. What is up in the outside world? Can I signal thumbnail? So all these components can be added very soon. I don't have motors. Push button. I have a push button. God, why is it all this view? Spare. I mean, yeah, let's say spare is fine. Why is it not like that's okay. Push button. Save. Push button. Push button thumbnail. Why am I putting effort in this? This is where no super switch. Do I have a switch yet? No. Main switch. Not right. Isometric view. Perspective view. No, ISO view. God damn it. So, the power supply was really good. It almost looks better in the real. Yeah, I downloaded those are not my models. That's why I have to rework them. Those are the 3D models from Siemens directly. They're free. You can download them. I don't know. I literally don't know if they're open source. I couldn't find anything in their where I downloaded it. I think they're open source, but I don't know. So I have to rework them. Looking for contact information, possibly I have email address. Ali, it's on my channel. You can find it. If you go to my channel, it's somewhere there. Which one did I just photograph? The switch. No, this is the main switch. Main switch thumbnail. I probably spelled half of these incorrect, but that I don't care. Link. No. God damn it, isometric view. Yes, Frau in English, wife or girlfriend or whatever you want to call it. I always say fiance because we are officially like engaged. So it's the official term would be fiance. But since COVID, we actually had that to put on hold. Main power plug component. Main power plug. Main power plug. Thumbnail. There we go. Got this. Oh god, there's so many. Terminal. Oh, bad. This is I don't want the terminal in there right now. E-stop. Sure, the e-stop kind of works. See, that's the 3D model of a real like Siemens e-stop. Save as e-stop. E-stop thumbnail. And the wall light. There's more, but right now those are the ones I'm gonna do. I don't know if I have more components actually. Like finished ones, but that's fine for now. The nice thing is I'm doing all of these in such a high resolution right now because my monitor is set to 4K. They all have such a high resolution, it's crazy. The pictures are probably so big. Wall light. Wall light thumbnail. There I've downloaded a bunch of 3D files recently. Factory.io, yeah, Factory.io is kind of like mine, but mine is going to be much better. How big are the pictures? Do I even want to look at it? Like file size wise, properties? No. Factory.io, yeah, it's got to be Factory.io. That's definitely the one. There's more. Also, I've even been approached last year by one of the companies that makes one of those, and I'm like, nah, don't care. It's 500 kilobyte. No, it's fine. So that was a couple of megabyte there. That's fine. Okay, so how do I add those again? How did this work? I don't remember. I need in the component interface. There's buttons, I guess, right? Did I manually do this? Place grab, connector, heading. No, it's not in. It's in a store. It's in a shop. Oopsie doopsie. Control panels, function bar, pop-up store, store content, store button. Store button? Slider? Pop-up store. It's gotta be the pop-up store, right? I completely forgot. I 100% forgot. I know how to find out, but no, it's there. Oh, it makes the store buttons, right? For these components that I have here. Oh, I have to make the components. Now I remember. Okay. I think. So the power supply is this. That's all I need to do. Right. And the thumbnail is. I need to make them all to 2D bullshit thingies. God, no, this is going to be annoying. The sprite. That's it. And then this goes in here. Done. Notschalter für die Lampe. I mean, you can put that there in the end. This is easy. This is not my job anymore. Okay, got the power supply down, got the breaker down. Let's go on with the contactor. Create component, contactor, 3-phase, add new component, component name, contactor, 3-phase. Let's give this bad boy a picture, which is of course gonna be a sprite. What's that? Okay. The sprite, Bloink, and the created component is gonna be control, this one. Component type, electrical. Easy. Next. I will also need to add all of these to the store. Oh god, this is actually more effort than I thought it would be. That's what I meant last time with monkey work, if you remember what I said last time. I don't know how many I have. Okay, so that's gonna be pop-up store, thumbnail, the contactor. The contactor goes here. Now I should be able to add contactors. Let's see. Can't wait for your project to be over. Hey, Epical. Yeah. No, I think it's a long-term project. It's not that quick. It's gonna take some time until it's over. Component is there for whatever. Oh yeah, I got this. Contactor, clone, and let's grab that bad boy. Grab Bloink. There we go. Got it. Perfect. Works. Go to Russia? Why would I go to Russia? What do you mean? Okay, next one. Contactor works, so it works in the end. Create component contactor signal. I don't know how they're called. Hilfsschutz in German, but I don't know how they're called in English. Probably relay. Can I just say relay? It's probably just relay. This is gonna be a sprite. Only textures with height being multiples of 4 can be compressed. Fine, whatever you want. Created component is this one here. Done. Next. LED? No. Motor? No. Push button. They come in different colors, so I can choose the color later on. Let's change the thingy here first. Not 2D. No, this is gonna be a sprite. I just forgot something with the contactor, with the signal contactor. It needs to be added here, of course. I did not forget. You love PLCs, hey Paul. Yeah, understandable. They're quite nice. It's a quite cool thing. So the signal contactor, no, the push button. Let's create a new component. Let's call that push button. Let's say this is a new component. No, it's going to be called push button. It's going to have an icon, and that's this one here. The created component is a push button. It's an electrical thing. Switch, I don't have the thing. The main switch. Wait, I have to add the push button. I forgot, to the list, to my store. Right, and the store is here. Pop-up store is going to have the push button. Can do that later. I will do that all together later on. Main switch. Did I just create the sprite? Multiples of 4. I understand. Create a component. That's main switch. This main switch is going to be called main switch. God dang it! This is taking some time here. This is, of course it does. I understand it, but whew, kind of annoying. That's why I didn't want to do it on stream, but now I've got some time. I've got like 10 minutes left, so I want to finish this in 10 minutes, and then I can upload it, and you can play around with this version, actually. Give me 10 minutes. That's not, no, it's a sprite, apply. Let's make it a component. The component is going to be called main power plug. Plugv. Of course, the main power plugv. Who doesn't know it? I'm going to also call it main power plug. It's going to get a sprite, which is this one here. The created component is the main power plug. It's electrical. And let's add it to the store. How many more? 2 more. Hey, I'm almost done. Next one is here. I'm gonna change this to a sprite. Multiples of 4. Hey, let's add a multiple of 4. Great. Create a component which is called emergency stop. Emergency stop is gonna be. Oh god, I hate this kind of work. Electrical is going to the store. Hey, one more. And now I want one more, which is the lamp. It is, of course, a sprite. And I'll call it I give it a component, which is a wall light. The wall light is going to also be called wall light. I'm going to read the chat in a second when I'm done with this. I'm sorry. I will be done very soon with this. It's electrical. There we go. Got it. And in the store, you go. The only problem right now I have is... Wait, why do I have the emergency stop twice? Something went wrong. Doesn't matter. I don't care. It's okay. There we go. It takes a long time, but it looks a lot of fun, yeah. Playing with the factory IO, but is it... Yeah. I'm adding way more things than factory IO does. Siemens Dualis, nah. You Mr. Alan Bradley or Siemens. What is better? I don't know. Alan Bradley has advantages. Siemens has advantages. Siemens is like quality-wise above, and also like from features and ease of use, and it's got a lot of advantages, but definitely the cost factor is a quite bad thing about the Siemens stuff. But Alan Bradley is still decent. It's still good. So I'm not going to say Siemens or Alan Bradley. It's both okay. They have advantages, they have disadvantages. They're just competitors. Look at this. We've got a store now. I can add like a main switch, I can add all of these. Now the problem is they don't... I do not... The scroll bar did not work yet. Why am I not... What's this? 2D view. There we go. Where's my store? There is my store. And now I need to make the scroll bar work. I can't remember how I make a scroll bar work, man. How? I did that a couple of streams ago. I can't remember. I did it in this one here, I think. Yeah, this one here does the same thing already. Gizmos on, so I can touch it. Make new connection. Has got an image. Okay. Content for scroll bar. So I've got a content for scroll bar which has a scroll rectangle. And a rectangle mask 2D. Okay. Scroll rect and rectangle mask 2D. Scroll rect, rectangle mask 2D. I need that to add here as well. Scroll rect, rect mask 3. Scroll rect and rect mask 2D? Sure, it's 2D. Yeah, makes sense. It seems great, but expensive. We usually use VineTech. Never heard of that. In the end, it's a combination. Like, in the end, you can combine a lot of components from different manufacturers. It's pretty open nowadays. Horizontal scroll, no. Vertical scroll, yes. Some elasticity, fine. It's okay. Vertical scroll bar is going to be the scroll bar, I guess. What's a slider? This should not be a slider. It should be a scroll bar. Did I put the wrong component there? Yeah, I put the wrong component there, I guess. Scroll bar. Wait, is there a slider or is there a scroll bar? Is that the same thing? UI, slider. No, it's a scroll bar. I put a slider, but I had to put a scroll bar. I'm an idiot. This slider here is gonna be... No. Pop-up store is gonna have a UI scroll bar, not a slider. Its slider didn't make much sense. That's width of 20. Scroll bar goes to the left and it boink. Width of 20 and then position 0. Don't care. Okay, scroll bar. Yeah, that makes that makes so much more sense. Who would have guessed? Watching you for a long time. You're very welcome. ASU engineer Emil. You're welcome, Emil. Okay, so the scroll content will have the scroll bar is the vertical scroll bar. Is this here? Visibility permanent? Sure, why not? I don't care. What else do I need? Rect mask 2D. Is the rect mask 2D necessary? I don't actually know. Got a scroll. Rect mask 2D. Yeah, I think it might not be necessary, but okay. Auto hide. Let's put it on auto hide actually. Why not? Okay. Shouldn't there be like an auto hide? Or is that here? Oh, it's here. Yeah, makes sense. And expand to viewport. That's a feature. Nice. So there's this. So that's the content for scroll bar. Okay, and there's one lower on this. Okay, that's a grid layout group. I don't want the grid layout. No, I don't care about I have a grid layout group. Good. And a content size fitter unconstrained preferred size. Content size fitter unconstrained preferred size. What? Oh, no, I don't know. I don't remember any of this. Why is there a store button in here? That one doesn't make any sense. Scroll content. And inside the scroll content, I need now another one that I have here. Right, it's this one here, yeah. Connector for scroll content. Create empty. How do I call it? Contents. I don't know what I'm doing. Content for scroll bar has the scroll rect and the rect mask. Scroll rect and the rect mask, and the grid layout group is gonna go on the contents. And the contents don't, no, they scale 100% with the thing, I guess. Yeah, fine. And then the pop-up store also needs to be like this. The parent is this one now. Got no idea what I'm doing. Maybe it worked. Maybe it's already done. I don't know. Hell yeah. Perfect. Why is it on already? Oh, it shouldn't be on. Whoops. Maybe that was really my mistake. I mean, it was my mistake, but yeah. Scroll rect was not assigned. What do you mean? I think the buttons work. But the scroll rect doesn't. Now my fiance is here, so I'm almost done. I want to fix this and then I'm gonna call it a day. I just heard her popping in. Let me just try to make sense of this, what we did there. I've got the content for scroll bar, which is a scroll rectangle, which is, oh, it's this size. Okay. This one is the small size. Okay, this one doesn't, oh, okay. So this one here needs to be this size. This one here needs to be like this one there, like the lower one, like this one, bound to the top. Position Y, I don't care, like this, okay. Like that. And then I can make it smaller, I don't care. It does not have a picture, I don't care as well. Like this. It's fine. Okay. Then we have, so the content for the scroll bar is fine. Movement type elastic. Content is this. Oh, okay. Like this. That's the content. That could have worked now. Yeah, it looks good. That looks kind of okay. I mean, it doesn't work, but it's better. Almost there. We're almost there. Look at this. We're almost there. The scroll bar is missing. And also, it flips back to where it was. Almost there. I never really understood those things. Scroll sensitivity. Let's just copy. Just make that 20 as well. Got this. That's fine. This is okay. There's nothing else here, right? No. I think so. Then the contents could be the problem. Grid layout group and a content size fitter. Oh, the content size fitter was the important thing, right? Content size fitter. And it's unconstrained? No, it is unconstrained and preferred size. Good. Okay, maybe. I do have a scroll bar now. That kind of works. Oh, the scroll bar doesn't work, but scrolling here works. Grad Specialist, could you please make video? It's fancy that those are always the videos with the most requests. I don't know much about those myself. That's the problem. I'm sorry. So the scroll bar, it almost works. Why does the scroll bar not work though? Oh, I didn't adjust it. Left to right? What? No, that's the problem. Probably already. Left to right does not make any sense. So the scroll bar is this one here, scroll bar bottom to top. Bottom to top. That's correct. That's the correct one. Bottom to top. Why is the cold transparent mesh deactivated? Doesn't matter. That's okay. Scroll bar. Yeah, it's the same values now. That's fine. I could have just copied this shitty thing. Wait, why is it now this strange size here? That's the wrong size. Scroll bar. What? Bottom minus 20. No, 0. Width 20. There we go. Minus 10, I think, yeah. Okay, maybe it works now. If this works, that's it, my dudes. It works. There we go. I've got a scroll bar. We can add components. Look at this. I can now add components, and I know they're going to pop up here in the middle. There's nothing I can do about it right now. And what's wrong with the e-stop? Oh, I can't click on the e-stop. Let's get rid of the e-stop then. Pop-up store is not like this. E-stop doesn't work. Where is the e-stop? E-stop, go away. And now I don't need the scroll bar anymore because I can display all the components. Love it. Contactor signal. I will need to go to the center here, and I can grab the components from there. Doink. Move. And place. And delete. Works. Perfect. Great. I love it. Something didn't show up there. There was still a problem. I'll save this. Okay, this is actually good. This is cool. This is actually good. This is great. I'm getting a call. It's not my fiance. I'm busy now. So, thank you for joining. This is fun. This is great. I love it. So, thank you for joining. Stay safe. Stay healthy out there. I'll see you in the next one. I might publish this version because right now we can do a lot. I will probably add a small couple, some small things, but that's a nice version, isn't it? I love it. We can play around with this. I love it. So I'll take the rest now. I'll take care of everything that I need to take care of. So should you. You should also take some rest. And I'll see you next time around. Thanks so much for joining. And